Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, changing sentence, exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my dear students, let's see class 6, subject English second paper, topic changing sentence, exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4, term annual, lecture 14, SW will be 13, teacher Ariful Islam, messenger Ariful Bari, this is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start the class. So our today's lecture is topic transformation, exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4, annual term, lecture 14. So number 1, change the following sentences as directed in the brackets. So number A, everybody wishes to be happy in life, interrogative. So number A, everybody wishes to be happy in life. We have to make it interrogative. So if we find everybody, everyone, all in the starting in interrogative sentence, what we do, we use who. First we write who instead of everybody. Then what we do, everybody wishes to be happy in life. As it is assertive sentence, we have to make it negative. Do you know? Because what do we do? We if in interrogative sentence we do negative and interrogative. Okay. So as this is assertive sentence, we have to make it negative. So who doesn't wish, no wishes, we have given doesn't, to be happy in life. Okay. Number 2, number B, as soon as she found any favor, she tried to catch it by fair or foul. Negative. So if we find as soon as in a sentence, in assertive sentence, if we want to make it negative, we have to put first no sooner had. Instead of as soon as, we have to put no sooner had. Then subject, and after had, verb will be past participle form. No sooner had she found any favor, and in place of comma we have to use then, THAN, and then the rest of the thing. She tried to catch it by, my dear students, number 1, who doesn't wish to be happy in life, as we are doing it interrogative, we have to give a interrogative sign here. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't remember that. So she tried to catch it by fair or foul. Negative. Number C, life is nothing but an eternal journey, interrogative. So we can make it interrogative 2 ways. So if we take auxiliary verb first, is life, and if we found nothing in the sentence, we have to write anything. So is life anything but an eternal journey? Question mark. We can also do this in this way. Isn't life but an eternal journey? This is also incorrect. All must die one day. Number D. So in place of must, we have to use cannot. If you want to make it negative, cannot but. So all must die one day. So all cannot but die one day. Number C, she is never late to have the favor affirmative. We have to make it affirmative. That's why after she is never, in place of never we have to use always and the opposite word of late. So punctual. She is always punctual to have the favor. Okay. We will move to number 2. Since the following sentences as directed in the brackets. Number 1, I play table tennis and badminton. We have to do it interrogative. So I play table tennis and badminton interrogative. So if you want to do it interrogative, how do you do? We have to we will look at the verb. So I play table tennis and badminton. So as it is affirmative sentence, we have to make it negative interrogative. Don't I play table tennis and badminton? Question mark. Okay. Number B, but football is my favorite game. Negative. So how we can solve it? But football is not my opposite of favorite, unfavorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T game. Number C, he called me a fool. Passive. Number C. So here two objects, a fool, me. You have to take the first object. Me will be subject I. As it is past indefinite tense, we have to use was or were. After I was used, past participle of main verb. I was called, and we have to take another object, fool. Why? He will be in object him. Number D, it was an exciting game. Interrogative, assertive sentence. So we have to make it negative interrogative. Wasn't, then subject will come. Wasn't it an exciting game? Number E, football is not an unpopular game. Affirmative. So if you want to make it affirmative, we will take the subject. Football is not negative. Affirmative. So football is a popular game. Affirmative. As P is consonant, we are not using an. Okay. We'll move to next page. Since the following sentences as directed in the brackets. Number 8, cricket is a very exciting game. Negative. So you have to make it negative. How we can make it negative? Cricket is not a opposite of exciting. We can say boring game. And if we found very in the sentence, assertive sentence, instead of very we have to use at all. Okay. Instead of very we have to use at all. Number B, people of all ages enjoy this game. Passive. So this is object, we have to make it subject. So this game people enjoy, present indefinite tense, we are using am, is, are. So we are using is. This game is enjoyed by people of all ages. People of all ages. Number C, cricket is the most popular game in our country. Okay, negative. So where is after cricket is the most popular game, the sentence will be cricket is the most popular game in our country. So you have to make it negative. As this is, I told you in assertive to negative class, if we find a superlative degree in the sentences, if we make it positive degree, it will be negative. So we have to make it positive degree. So if the comes in superlative sentence, we start the positive with no other and take the after the superlative degree the rest of the thing. No other game in our country then is as popular as cricket. You can give so as, no problem. Number D, most people enjoy playing and watching this game, interrogative. So most people enjoy, this is the verb, so as no S or yes we have to use don't. So don't most people enjoy playing and watching this game. And you have to put a question mark. Okay, very careful this one. If you do not put a question mark, your question answer will be wrong. Number E, as a test playing country, the standard of Bangladesh is not high. You have to make it affirmative. So as a test playing country, the standard of Bangladesh is not high means low. Okay. Number 4, since the following sentences as directed in the brackets. Number A, Bangladesh is a small country, negative. So you have to make it negative. So what we will write, Bangladesh is not a, opposite of a small is big country. Number B, this country is full of natural resources, interrogative. So is auxiliary verb, we will take it before subject. As assertive, we have to make it negative. So isn't this country full of natural resources? As interrogative, we have to put a question mark. Number C, this will be number C, mistake. Number C, so we should use this properly. Number C, so passive voice, we have to take subject. So we should use this properly. So our object is this properly. This properly should. This properly should, not. If we find should, there will be should be. Should be. This properly should be used by us. So here is so. So we have to put so in the first. Okay. We have to take so in the initial point. Okay. So will remain the same. Where is so? So this properly should be used by us. Number D, our people should also be turned into human resources by us, active. So number D, we have to make it active. So our subject is we. So we should also be, should be. So we use should as in active. We should also, main verb turned. So after should we use turn. We should also turn our people into, then rest of the thing, into human resource. Number E, last one, populations will be a great problem for us, interrogative. Number E, so you have to make it interrogative, will auxiliary verb. As assertive sentence, we don't call will not, we call it owned. Owned population, this is population, owned population be a great problem for us. As it is interrogative sentence, we have to put a question mark. Okay, so this is my lecture today, my dear students. Let's go to section B part. Section B, composition, marks 20. So question numbers 8, email. So you will read this email from your book. From we are advising you to follow advanced book or any other book. You will find this email in your book. And question number 9, compositions. Number 1, duties of a student, the value of time, physical exercise, a journey by train. So this thing you will find in your book. So read those books, memorize for the exam. We are not providing you email and composition. So today's homework, my dear students, homework 13, submit on Sunday, changing sentence 5, 6, 7 and 8. So homework 13, submit on Sunday, changing sentence 5, 6, 7 and 8. As we have provided you the suggestions, go to the suggestions and go to changing sentence 5, change the following sentence as directed. It starts with Mita is never cruel to distressed, affirmative. Number 6 starts with Afrin is the best girl in class 6, negative. Number 7, a flower starts with number A, a flower is not a glowing gift of nature, affirmative. Number 8 starts with number A, I know him, passive. So go to your suggestions and downloaded it and do SW changing sentence 5, 6, 7 and 8. So my dear students, do your SN SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM in the school library. You'll also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBA, CT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies, and we are giving 2.5 mark each of your SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About bad parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.